literally woke up. I don't know why I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm excited.
I'm drinking hot water with lemon because that purifies your body.
Spell purifies.
Purifies.
May muta ba? May muta na ba?
Mas ganda.
Comment below if you know who that is.
Mas ganda.
Oh guys, it's so cold now. It's winter. Every day to wake up to this, I'm gonna light it up every day. It just smells so good. And then now I'm making coffee. Nakalimutan ang tubig. So first thing I drink in the morning is a glass of water, but in my case a pitcher of water because I really want to get hydrated and I don't want no dry skin. I probably have muta and dry skin right now, but who cares? I don't know. That's my tip. It's because you slept for 8 to 10 hours and your body wasn't able to intake water. I can't English today. I can't. Me first. He's so weird. Look at him. He adds coffee into his cereal and he eats cereal in a cup when we have bowls available. And he still eats it in a cup. I don't get him.
Issue with life.
I have no issue with life. I'm just curious.
Pick the third nickname, please.
But can we talk about that, please? Why are you so weird?
Because it's good. I don't want to be put in a box where people just eat in a bowl. I eat out of any container.
Okay guys, here's my coffee. You know, that's all I eat or drink every single breakfast.
Why is my face not in it? Oh.
You're stupid.
I was tilting the camera the wrong way. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Hold it here. So
Yani never makes the bed. Now you know, guys. He never, ever makes the bed. Anyways, he asked me to vlog because he said, you want your name in the channel, then you need to vlog. So I'm doing it now, Yani. And then I am forcing him to come to the gym. Wow. I can see your underwear from underneath the shorts. We're going to the gym and then we'll go probably to KFC. What's the name of that place? KFC? KFC. And now,
guys, our candle smells so good.
it does. I think I keep cutting off my face.
I'm teaching Bobby how to vlog. He doesn't know how. You vlog like this, babe.
Listen
Listen
he
to me.
never allows me.
Listen to me.
Yes.
You vlog like this. And then even though it's so wide, your face is like this.
It's
look
not
at
my
me.
fault if my arms are long.
No,
you
that's
have
not my
short
point.
arms.
Look at
it's
me.
It's like hands hanging
that's not
from
my
your shoulders.
Point. Look at me.
You have...
You like this, even the camera is so wide. You like this. Your face. Hi guys. I notice in all the vlogs and edits. Hi guys.
It's because I'm giving lines. Look.
This is how Fabio vlogs. He vlogs like this. Hi guys. So see? How is that appealing? How is that cute?
Well, do they like it? Do they watch my vlogs?
No, not really. They're
They
all my
do?
vlogs. You don't vlog.
Don't watch this video. Change channel now. Unsubscribe. Jeez Louise.
I'm helping. I'm helping.
Yani.
Okay guys, so today's video we're gonna show you how to be skinny for the summer look.
Look at these skinny legs. I'm working out legs today because
Yeah,
they're
so
skinny.
we're gonna show you how to be skinny. 5 ways to get the perfect
Yeah.
my intrata body.
Yeah, first thing you need to do is start kicking like this. Workout is done.
That was a good 45 minutes to an hour workout. That's all I need every day. At least I do it every day, right? Fabio's still in the gym, so now I'm just gonna chill on the couch and edit some videos for you guys. OOTD!
Uber is here. Hey guys, so now we're going to get some wine for my friend that is coming over. We're gonna eat, get a couple of things that we need for the shoot today. Look how steady I am.
Hey guys, we're on our way to grab food. What else is new? What else is new? So we're gonna grab KFC, fried chicken. Or do we want Popeyes? Let's get Popeyes. If we're gonna get fried chicken, might as well get the good Popeyes. Good fried chicken.
Is it better? Is Popeyes
yeah,
better?
it's bigger. KFC is very small.
Cool, let's go for it.
Hey guys, we're at Popeyes right now. Guys, this is gonna be Popeyes mukbang, fried chicken mukbang. We're not gonna play a lot of sound because there's music, copyright. Guys, we're in the store where everything is $1 or more. So we're buying dental floss and...
Oh, I would never buy
pads.
like whitening and conditioner in one. Perfect.
No. Stick to the brand that you know. Yeah, Head and Shoulder. Was that Head and Shoulder?
Then let's
It's
buy
okay, we
somewhere
can go
else.
somewhere else. They have no Head and Shoulder. And we only use Head and Shoulder. Sometimes this store has Clear. You know Clear? The anti-dandruff shampoo. We're going home! There guys, we're home again. Nag-aaway kami nung dumating kami sa bahay kasi we both need to pee and Fabio wants to go ahead first but I went first. So today my friend or Fabio's friend is gonna come and we're gonna film a makeup look and we're gonna film that today. It's gonna be fun and exciting. We'll see.